I love exploring food from all over the world, and I love showing my kids the vast variety of amazing food that there is to eat as well. Hi, I'm Jenny from The Gingered Whisk, and this year I'm taking my family on a culinary adventure around the world right at our own table. This week we're trying food from Morocco. Come along and see what we made. The flavors of Morocco were definitely a huge hit with my family. Everyone loved this simple but really flavorful meal. I hope this inspires you to try some food from Morocco in your family's meal. Stay tuned and see where we go next.